Hey guys, welcome back to the Travel Partner YouTube channel. I'm Sarah, and today I'll show you how to spend 4 amazing days in Barcelona for just 320 euros. We'll cover cheap flights, budget stays, delicious eats, and the best free activities, so you can experience Barcelona like a local without overspending. Grab your notebook for the ultimate Barcelona budget guide. Let's dive in. Let's start with flights. The first step to any adventure. Booking your ticket is often the biggest expense, but with a little strategy, you can save a surprising amount of money and set the tone for a budget-friendly trip. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first big journey, knowing how to find affordable flights is essential. Use comparison sites like Skyscanner and Google Flights to find the best deals. These platforms let you compare prices across dozens of airlines and booking sites in seconds, so you can spot the lowest fares without having to check each airline individually. Don't forget to check both, as sometimes one will show deals the other misses. If your travel dates are flexible, you're in luck. Search the whole month for the lowest fares, especially during late spring or early fall, when demand is lower and prices tend to drop. Even shifting your trip by just a few days can make a big difference in price. Many comparison sites have a calendar view that highlights the cheapest days to fly. Mid-week flights are usually cheaper than weekends. Tuesdays and Wednesdays often have the lowest fares, since fewer people travel then. If you can, avoid flying on Fridays and Sundays, which are the most popular and expensive days to fly. Set up price alerts so you'll know when fares drop. Most flight search engines let you track specific routes and dates, sending you notifications when prices change. This way, you can book at the perfect moment and avoid overpaying. Budget airlines like Ryanair, Vueling, and EasyJet offer great deals. Just pack light to avoid extra fees. These carriers often charge for checked bags, seat selection, and even snacks, so read the fine print and stick to a small carry-on if you want to keep costs down. Sometimes, flying budget means sacrificing a bit of comfort, but the savings can be huge. If you're flying from outside Europe, consider landing in a major hub like London, Paris, or Madrid, then booking a separate budget flight to Barcelona. International flights to these cities are often cheaper, and you'll have more options for onward travel. Just make sure to leave enough time between flights in case of delays, and check if you'll need to collect your luggage and recheck in. Clear your browser cookies or use incognito mode to avoid price hikes. Some booking sites may increase prices if they see you searching repeatedly for the same route. By browsing privately, you can make sure you're seeing the real lowest fares. Book 6-8 weeks in advance for the best prices. Airlines tend to release their cheapest seats early, and prices usually rise as the departure date approaches. If you wait until the last minute, you'll likely pay a premium, especially during busy travel seasons. Consider nearby airports like Girona or Reus. Public transport can get you to Barcelona cheaply. Sometimes flying into a smaller airport and taking a bus or train into the city can save you a lot, even after factoring in the cost of ground transportation. Double-check airport transfer options. Public transport is much cheaper than taxis. Barcelona has excellent connections from all its airports, so you can get to the city center quickly and affordably. Keep your confirmations organized for a smooth trip. Save digital copies of your tickets, boarding passes, and hotel reservations, or print them out as a backup. This will help you avoid any last-minute stress at the airport. Look for student or group discounts if you qualify. Many airlines and travel agencies offer special rates for students, youth, or large groups, so always check before booking. Sometimes these discounts aren't advertised, so it's worth asking directly. With these tips, you'll land in Barcelona with more cash for adventures. Smart planning means you can spend less on getting there and more on experiencing everything this incredible city has to offer, from tapas and Gaudi's architecture to the vibrant beaches and nightlife. Happy travels! Now let's find a place to stay without blowing your budget. Hostels like Hostel 1 or Generator offer beds from 20 euros, plus free tours and social events. Prefer privacy? Try budget hotels or guest houses in neighborhoods like Gracia or El Born for local vibes and better prices. Airbnb is great for couples or friends. Split the cost and get a kitchen to save on meals. Always check you're near a metro stop for easy, cheap transport. Compare deals on Booking.com, Hostelworld, or the property's own site for perks like free breakfast. Couchsurfing is an option for the truly adventurous, free stays and local tips. Watch for last-minute deals, especially off-season. Remember city taxes. They add up, so factor them in. Read reviews for cleanliness, safety, and location. Don't sacrifice comfort for savings. Rest is key. With smart planning, you'll find a great place and still have plenty left for exploring. Time to eat. If you're visiting Barcelona and want to savor the city's incredible food scene without breaking the bank, you're in luck. Barcelona is a paradise for food lovers on a budget, offering a huge variety of delicious options that won't empty your wallet. Barcelona's food scene is both delicious and surprisingly affordable if you know where to look. From bustling markets to cozy bakeries and lively tapas bars, there's something for every taste and budget. Start your food adventure at local markets like La Boqueria, where you'll find a rainbow of fresh produce, sandwiches, and snacks. Grab a bocadillo, a classic Spanish sandwich, or a cup of fresh fruit for just a few euros. Markets are perfect for picking up a quick, healthy, and affordable bite, and you'll get to experience the lively atmosphere that makes Barcelona's markets so special. For breakfast, skip the touristy spots and head to a local bakery. You can enjoy a flaky pastry and a strong coffee for under €3, an unbeatable deal to start your day. Many bakeries offer a variety of sweet and savory options, so you can try something new each morning. At lunchtime, keep an eye out for the Menú del Día, a daily set menu offered by many restaurants. For around 10 to 12 euros, you'll get 2 generous courses, a drink, and sometimes even dessert or coffee. It's a fantastic way to sample local cuisine and enjoy a sit-down meal without overspending. Don't miss Barcelona's street food scene. Try a slice of tortilla española, crispy churros dusted with sugar, or a cone of jamón from a market stall. These snacks are not only tasty and filling, but also easy on your budget. Perfect for fueling your sightseeing adventures. For a true local experience, head to neighborhood bars in areas like Poble Sec or Gracia. Here, you'll find authentic tapas for just €1–2 each, and in some places, you might even get a free tapa with your drink. Sharing a few small plates with friends is a fun and affordable way to try a variety of flavors. If you have access to a kitchen, shopping at supermarkets like Mercadona or Lidl can save you even more. Pick up fresh bread, cheese, and fruit for a picnic lunch in one of Barcelona's beautiful parks. Not only will you save money, but you'll also get to relax and enjoy the city like a local. Don't forget to bring a reusable water bottle. Barcelona's tap water is safe, clean, and free. Just refill at public fountains around the city and stay hydrated without spending a cent. Throughout the day, bakeries and cafes are your best friends for quick, budget-friendly bites. Whether you need a mid-morning snack or a late-afternoon pick-me-up, you'll always find something tasty and affordable. Treat yourself to local desserts like crema catalana or churros with thick, rich chocolate. These sweet treats are a delicious way to indulge without spending much, and they're a must-try for any visitor with a sweet tooth. Want to save even more? Download apps like Too Good To Go, which let you buy surplus food from cafes and restaurants at a big discount. It's a smart way to enjoy great food, reduce waste, and stretch your travel budget further. Whether you're sampling fresh bites at a market, enjoying a picnic in the park, or sharing tapas with friends, Barcelona makes it easy to eat well without overspending. The city's vibrant food culture is accessible to everyone, no matter your budget. So dig in, savor every bite, and enjoy the flavors of Barcelona. Your taste buds and your wallet will both thank you. Now comes the best part, immersing yourself in Barcelona's vibrant energy and discovering its most iconic sights, many of which are surprisingly free or very affordable. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Barcelona offers endless opportunities to explore without breaking the bank. Begin your adventure with a stroll down La Rambla, the city's most famous boulevard. Here, you'll be entertained by talented street performers, living statues, and musicians, all while soaking up the lively atmosphere. It's the perfect place for people watching, grabbing a snack, or simply enjoying the buzz of the city. Next, lose yourself in the enchanting Gothic Quarter. Its labyrinth of narrow, winding streets is filled with history and charm. Don't miss Plaza Real, a palm-lined square that's a favorite gathering spot for locals and visitors alike. Step inside the majestic Barcelona Cathedral. Entry is free during certain hours, and admire its stunning Gothic architecture. When you need a break, head to Parc de la Ciutadella. This lush green oasis in the heart of the city is perfect for relaxing, people watching, or enjoying a picnic by the lake. You'll find locals playing music, practicing yoga, or simply unwinding under the shade of the trees. For a taste of Barcelona's architectural genius, take yourself on a self-guided Gaudí tour. Marvel at the breathtaking exterior of La Sagrada Familia, Antoni Gaudí's masterpiece, and admire the whimsical facade of Casa Batlló from the street. Both are unforgettable sights, and you don't need a ticket to appreciate their beauty. Don't miss Parc Güell's free area, where you can wander among colorful mosaics and sculptures and take in sweeping views of the city below. The park's vibrant designs and playful shapes are a testament to Gaudí's creativity, and the panoramic vistas are perfect for photos. Art lovers will be delighted to know that many of Barcelona's top museums, including the renowned Picasso Museum, offer free entry at specific times or on certain days. Be sure to check their schedules in advance to take advantage of these opportunities and experience world-class art without spending €1. For a classic Barcelona experience, spend an afternoon at Barceloneta Beach. The golden sand, sparkling Mediterranean Sea, and lively boardwalk are all yours to enjoy for free. Swim, sunbathe, or join a game of beach volleyball with locals and fellow travelers. Dive into local life by exploring bustling markets like Mercat de Sant Antoni. Wander among stalls brimming with fresh produce, local delicacies, and unique souvenirs. Even if you're just browsing, the sights, sounds, and smells offer a true taste of Barcelona's culture. For breathtaking views, hike up Montjuïc Hill. The climb is rewarded with panoramic vistas of the city and sea, plus beautiful gardens and historic sites to explore along the way. It's a peaceful escape from the city's hustle and bustle. As evening falls, make your way to the magic fountain of Montjuïc. The nightly light and music show is a dazzling spectacle that draws crowds from all over, and it's completely free to enjoy. For something different, seek out Barcelona's vibrant street art in neighborhoods like El Raval and Poblenou. These open-air galleries showcase the city's creative spirit, with colorful murals and thought-provoking pieces around every corner. To dig deeper, join a free walking tour led by passionate local guides. You'll hear fascinating stories, discover hidden gems, and gain insider tips that you won't find in any guidebook. With a sense of adventure and curiosity, you'll unlock the magic of Barcelona, creating unforgettable memories, all while keeping your budget in check. The city's best experiences are often the ones that cost nothing at all. That's your guide to Barcelona on just €320. You don't need a big budget for an unforgettable trip. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe for more budget travel guides and adventures. Share your Barcelona tips or questions in the comments. Let's help each other travel smarter. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and happy travels!